Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Sowtech lightweight vacuum cleaner. Basically this is a corded stick vacuum cleaner, 600 watts, and it comes with two accessories, the suction brush and the crevice tool. Fixing the handle is pretty simple. Open up the shaft on top, fix the handle all the way in and close the lever on the back. Attach the floor tool to the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner and you're good to go. So we tested it with some cereal, and the suction power of the vacuum cleaner is really good. It picks up small and large pieces of cereal.